Hey everybody, check out this new tray that just came in. 2013 X-30 Mastercraft, lime green and black. It's got the tinted windows, really sharp looking boat. Comes with the Boatmate double axle trailer. As you can see on the inside as well, you have the green and white with the black accents. Awesome boat. Here at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Let me take you through a little bit of this boat. All right, here we are on the back transom. You got a nice walk through here with storage on either side. Just clips up here. Nice deep storage in there to get life jackets and boards and ropes, whatever you need in there. As you walk through here, you got the JL audio system on the dash, clamping board racks, nice wraparound interior here with the seat that flips back and forth here. Come up to the dash. You got the Clarion stereo receiver there, analog gauges, and you got your digital gauge there also. Real cool, nice setup, a lot of billet aluminum around, looks really sharp. So if you're looking to get into a nice used towboat, come check this out. We'll get you on the water riding behind it. Make sure you like and subscribe to MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Come find me. I'm Kyle Barkfried with MarineMax. Thank you very much. You guys have a great day.